running out of storage, and are reluctant to delete photos or videos? No worries, NCC Storage Interface USSD is the perfect solution for instant storage expansion. One end features a Type-C interface. Plug it directly into Type-C phones or plug-and-play convenience. No drivers needed. Expanding storage in just 1 second with easy copying and transferring. Compatible with laptops and desktops with a high-speed transfer rate of 500 megabytes per second. It transfers 1 gigabyte files in just 2 seconds, outpacing the sluggish file transfers of built-in cloud storage. Compact and lightweight, it slips easily into your pocket or attaches to your keychain or phone, eliminating the need for bulky traditional hard drives. The USB and Type-C dual interface design ensures wide compatibility with phones, desktops, laptops, tablets, gaming consoles, and speakers, unlike traditional hard drives that are prone to data loss from bumps or scratches. The FP101 features a zinc alloy body with electroplated coloring, offering a premium feel, shock resistance, wear resistance, and durability, ensuring your data stays safe. It's not just a training gadget, but also a reliable helper for expanding your file storage needs.